Drop it.
Assalamualaikum friends. Today I will show the method that how to remove the watermark of Kinemaster. So first of all, downloading the Kinemaster from the given link in the description. I already downloaded this app, so I install it. Just wait. Friend, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and tell me if you want to any type of tutorial. Just open this app. Yes, I create a new project. Yes, okay. Here I type backgrounds. I want to add this background and this background. Next, and go next. I want to play this background. Yes. When you see here, you see the watermark of Kinemaster. I want to go back, and you see my project work created. Yes. Here I share this app to gallery. Save one to gallery. Now you don't see any purchasing of Kinemaster app in full HD. I want to exporting my video in full HD. Yes. Estimating the time remaining. Just a minute. After the exporting video, then I play the video. You don't see the watermark of Kinemaster. Yes, I want to play this video for you. Yes, friend. You don't see have any watermark of this Kinemaster Pro. And thanks for watching, friend. Allah Hafiz.